Hi, I'm Jack Kemper, Kemper Associates Architects in Farmington, Connecticut. We're residential architects. This house we're in, I happen to be the architect and the client, and Bill Atkinson is the contractor.
Hi, I'm Bill Atkinson from Atkinson Associates, Design Build. I've worked with Jack Kemper and his company for many years. We've done many projects, and we're in the process of doing a project here, which is on an 1868, I believe, home, and turned it into a very usable living space.
We purchased the house 10 years ago and have been renovating it in stages over the last 10 years. The first portion was this kitchen that we're standing in. The second portion was the garage/barn outside. And this third phase, and we hope final, is the replacement of the old kitchen with a modern room. When we bought the house, the structural engineer said it's not good, so we've stayed on the same footprint and made a new room. We stepped it down to get a 10-foot ceiling, a high ceiling, get a lot of light in there, and then we added a master bath and closet above there that the house never had. And we've tried with this design to keep it sympathetic to the house, being clear that it's new, it sets back and changes the materials, but the roof lines, proportions, everything else works with the architecture. So it's all, we hope, contributing to the feel of the house.
I think what Jack has done in the design aspect of this renovation project is tied in the old with the new, and it's really worked well. Also, during a project like this, you want to keep the living quarters clean, be very respectful of what they have, so they come home at night, they can still live. And I think we've done a pretty good job with that so far, and the project's coming out very well.
I think one of the things that has worked well with Bill's team living here is they're all people that we're glad are around, and at the end, we kind of miss them. That's a little bit unusual, but also think it's a credit to everybody on the team that they're people you want around your house, and happy to have them.